How to flip a video in 1 minute. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to flip a video in your Android, what you can simply do is launch any of the video editing app, because in the camera section you'll not be able to flip it. So you can simply launch any of the video editing app. Here I am using InShot. So you can simply select on the video over here and skip the ads. So let's tap on video and select any of the videos over here. So I'm going to select one of the videos over here. Now if you want to flip it, what you can simply do is you can tap on the video option, and here you can see there are different options over here. So there are different menus. You can just drag it to the left and you'll be able to see the option of rotate over here. So simply tap on rotate and you can just tap on flip, whichever side you would want, and then you can just rotate your video in less than 1 minute. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.